Hello, this is Corum coming to the video Genshin Impact. We're on Europe. We're doing Blizzard Strayer. It's been a while. Right now I was like, who do I need? Who do I love? And I love Ayaka. And she is on Europe. She is missing a few pieces here, so we're gonna get her set up. Oh damn, getting her if we don't die here. Let's go. So we're gonna try to get her going. She's missing a few pieces. Her stuff's not that good. Alright, there we go. Let's go. Oh, damn it. Alright, there's the... Oh, damn. Got me. Alright, here we go. Yeah, soft of fire. Oh shit! Don't kill me, bro. Damn. Okay, this was not a good team to bring in here. I'm getting my ace handed to me. 11 minutes. I must have went AFK. Grabbed a soda. No, I didn't grab a soda. What did I do? I alt-tabbed and just reading some manga. Right now it's just someone reincarnated as the mastermind behind something. I don't know. Just checking it out. Ooh, dang it. And ooh, dang it. Potential, but not really what we're looking for. Do I only have 4 pieces? Damn it, I wish I had known that before I came in. Oh, yeah, don't forget. While we're in here, let's check this out. Can I do this here? The shop reset. Can we go to the shop? I don't think we can go to the shop, can we? Let's see. Shop detail? Yep, we can. Stardust exchange. Give me the goodies. Yes. Yes, please. You remember, you got to keep these low. You can't always be buying stuff if you're not making a lot of that star glitter. Or star, you know, whatever. Kaya and Barbara. Do I even want any of them? What's Kaya at? I don't even like him. But if you like him, get him. Let's see what our Kaya's at. Constellation 3. That's not bad. We get 4 targets automatically when HP falls with 20%. Creates a shield that sucks. Don't give a shit. That's stupid. That's a stupid ability. Yeah, not worth it. But we got 5 things. I wish you could just roll 5. Yay, purple. What do we got? Give me something good that isn't a dragon's bane. God dang it. Come on, give me some gold or something. There we go. That's what we need. I still think they need to update the blues so you get those other weapons that aren't in the list anymore. Nope, no love. Last of the day. Alright. So we got jinkied. Nothing good. We don't care about Dragon's Bane. The worst spear in the game. Well, it's not the worst, I guess. Well, maybe it is. Nothing. Oh, damn it. There we go. Alright. And boom. There we go. We can do it. Oh. There we go. Oh. Oh. Ah. Dodge. 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 Dip. Dodge. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a giant monster. Alright, here we go. Alright, all right there. Cool. Right into the fire. Yeah, get staggered. Oh, damn it. There we go. Oh, let's go on her. Oh, we already won. Damn it. Alright. Whatevers. Got that little thing. Everybody's HP is fine. Let's see what we got today. Give me the ice. damn it. No. Luckily, we're getting the ice set. We probably want the water set coming up with the new lands. What's it called? French land? I just remember Frenchy. I can't remember. But it's supposed to have the water Archon, so be nice. Jesus, bastard. Let's light him up. Oh, get out of here. Let's go. Kirara. Got him. Alright, anyone need some healing? Love? She does. Come on, give us some more of that ice. No water, baby. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Ice, ice, baby. Give us that ice. And nothing good. And something horrible. That's the fate of this game. Will we get anything good this time? Oh, we got to get off her because she has the stupid book. Do I have to let it reset a little bit? Oh, well. Doesn't matter. We're good. Oh, damn it. I shouldn't have done that. Should have done on her. There we go. Fireballs and balls. Take it. Oh man, he did not do well on this. Fry him. There we go. Suck it. Yeah, come on. You want to come over here? You want to mess with my little kitties? Come on, get scratched. That sounds gay. Alright, there we go. We are winning. I always like how the sword looks like it's got a fire line going through it, like it's like a tuning fork almost, but nope. Man, hopefully we get something good here. Will we win or will we lose? Let's find out. And we lost. We lost horribly. Oh man, did we lose bad. Well, let's head on out and see what we can do. Alright, luckily I lit those fires, because I hate that when you AFK once you zone out of here and then you're dead. You go, oh, I gotta go run to the bathroom real quick and come back and your characters are all dead. You gotta resurrect. Alright, what was I doing? Ayaka's my hero. Let's see what she's got here. Oh my god, that thing's got the crit rate of a... Look at that, 14 crit. Damn. Damn. Alright, let's see here. Oh, wrong. Wrong. I hate that. I hate using this little slider thing. I suck at using it. Where are you? Thundering Fury, Blizzard Straya. There we are. So we got this one. Nope. This one. Nope. This one. No. What the hell? Didn't I get a new feather? That's a horrible. These are horrible feathers. But I got it. Okay, this one. Was it this one? Well, we got a lot of sons of bitch. We got a lot of these. Wow. Wow. Alright, how's our Blizzard Strayer? Those looking. That's pretty damn good. I don't know. That's going to be rough to beat. Yeah, this is some pretty good shit. Alright, let's see. What about crit damage? Why would they? We got a crit rate. That's horrible. Elemental masteries. Don't care about crit rates. We want crit damage. It's the only crit damage crown we got. I guess I could switch out. Oh no, they said that sword on her was horrible. No love. So I wanted to get a good attack sans, but all I have are elemental masteries and shit. No love on the attack sans. Feathers are okay. Well, I guess I could. What's this one's got the great energy recharge on it. It went 2 into this, 1 into this, and 2 into that. So that's great. I mean, I'm not going to complain about that. It's got that energy recharge that I need. Any of these have energy recharge? Let's go with this one right here. Let's see if we can get it. Can we do it? What will happen? Tune in and find out. We got attacked. We are a horrible piece. We're gonna take you and throw you into the others. That's how we do it around here. Where was the other one? This one. Enhance. No, you were. Oh, Jesus, what'd I just do? It do what it do. But that's not how we do it. You dig? I'll throw you in there, I guess. I don't know what happened to the other. Oh, did I not take it off the thingy? Ugh. Alright. That's what I didn't do. Damn it. Stupid mouse likes to double click and cheat. Did I get any of these goods? That's a horrible piece. That's a horrible. That's a horrible. That's a horrible too. So no energy recharge. Oh, what? Wait. This one right here. Oh, damn. All right. Here we go. So far, we're 0 for 2. Let's try this one. Here we go. 0 for 3. All right. I'm just going to throw it into this one since it's a 4-statter. Let's do it. 4-statter. Show me your love, baby. Go! Oh, wait. Okay. Screw it. We're gonna just dump it all into this then. Are you... You are horrible. You are horrible. You are horrible. Horrible. Yeah, I'll take you. Take you away. Come sail away. Come sail away. Sail away with me. Oh, come on. You had to do that to me. You had to give me the defense, huh? Defense. Look at that. 2.7 and 7, huh? Wait, did I do 2.7? That's 5.4, right? I can't math. Oh, well. It's 2.9. 9. Alright. Alright. You're not going in there, you dirty bastard. What's all this shit? Oh man, I got a lot of these to just toss. Oh! Bam! And we hit HP. What a horrible piece. You, I will take you off the thing. Alright, that went 1, 1, 1, 1. That was horrible. What did I do? Hit HP twice or something? Ugh. Okay. That's the way it's gonna be. Let's try this one. It's got three nice substats. If I get a crit, I will throw it in the pit. That other flower. No, you did not do well. What about you? Alright. You got 3 good substats. There we go. You got 3 good substats. You get the +7. Where'd that +7 flower go? You are it, buddy. Defense. Damn you, defense. You killed my father. Prepare to die. Ugh. Crit me. Nope. Damn. No love. Alright, here we go. Give me your love boat. Shining and new. Well, at least we're getting through all this. What do we got here? Crit. Oh, these are defense. Shit. I'm going to go with the HP one just because I hate all the other stuff. Damn defense. I hate defense. Why do they keep putting defense in these stats? I don't know. I guess you need it somehow, some way. And that's when I knew. All these elemental mastery bastards? Alright, attack at least. Ah! Attack at least. Like I said, I really wish they would let you go in there and click on artifacts that so we could throw them in here, auto filter. We are looking. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? Nothing for me. Gah. What do we got here? Man. Well, that's just how bad it is. Just looking for that one piece. Just want a piece of the pie. Alright, we all went all the way to the east side for this, and this is what we get. Alright, that's it. All done. Let's ding this. Ding that one, I guess. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll be back after these messages. Hit that like and subscribe.